Good morning, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President, Southport, Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today on Faces of Commerce, we're here at Yoga Unlimited, North Carolina with Stacy Smith. Hello, Stacy.
Hi, Karen, how are you?
Good. Tell us where Yoga Unlimited is located.
So we are in the building that Dr. Karen Fairfield owns, Island Healing Chiropractor and Wellness Center. It's 8809 East Oak Island Drive. We're on the second floor with a nice yoga sign in our window, so you can find us.
Yeah. What do you do here? I mean, yoga seems like, oh, it's just yoga.
We do a lot. So we offer a variety of classes in the mornings and evenings and weekends, on demand and live streamed. So we have it all. So we have restorative yoga, which uses these bolsters and blankets to kind of support the body. We do a deep, slow stretch class, which is kind of really great for beginners. We have slow flow vinyasa, so we break down the flowing of the yoga poses and people can ask questions and they can hold the poses. It's not necessarily easy, but it's a little slower paced. We have men's only classes, so I have 4 classes that are just men, probably the largest classes that I have, as silly as that sounds. We have warm power vinyasa on Saturdays. That's my hardest class, and it's a heated class. So some people like that, so you can get a little more deeper into your postures. We also have some fusion classes, a yoga sculpt class on Tuesday mornings, a yoga Pilates class on Thursday mornings. We have 2 new teachers that I just hired, Michelle Field and Elizabeth Gentry. They're both Yoga Alliance 200-hour certified teachers. And I also have Jenna Cooley, who's a life coach, and she comes and rents the space, and she works. We have a really good women's group going on every month, just talking about how to reinvent yourself during retirement, or how to deal with grief, or how to deal with taking care of parents who are elderly now. So we have a lot going on up here. We have monthly workshops. As a matter of fact, this weekend, this Saturday, I'm doing a guided meditation and sound bath. So I play crystal bowls, and you lay down, and the sounds from the crystal bowls are healing. Also in the corner, I do Reiki. So I have a little screened off area where I have a massage table there, and I do Reiki sessions. I also do Thai body work, which is like kind of combination between massage and physical therapy. I use my body to stretch you. So I do that in workshop formats, and I also do that in one-on-one sessions. Are you sorry you asked?
No,
we have a lot going on up here.
That's wonderful. I mean, that is a lot.
Yes.
So what website do you have all this information?
I have yogaunlimitednc.com, so www.yogaunlimitednc.com, and we also have flyers throughout the island and Southport, and our flyers have a QR code on them. Mm-hmm. I just did it this month, so you can go right directly to the website as well.
Very nice. And you teach teachers, do you know?
I do. So I have a yoga teacher training school. That's what I started first. The studio kind of fell on my lap. I started the school in 2017 on my own. I've been facilitating for years. I've been teaching yoga for 40 years. And I started when I was 5.
That's right.
But our yoga teacher training, I have 2 programs, and I have 2 classes going on right now. And it's a 200-hour program, which is like getting your bachelor's degree in teaching yoga. And then I have a 500-hour program, which is continuing education for current teachers. So the 2 teachers I mentioned that I just hired are in my 500-hour program. And then I have 4 girls right now in my 200-hour training. And if you look around here, I have a big screen TV over there, because 2 of my girls are coming from Cary. So sometimes they're not live, but they're live streamed. And then 2 of the girls are from Southport, and one from Oak Island. So yes, I can do them live, I can do them hybrid, and I have a lot of lessons. Because of the pandemic, I have a lot of lessons that are pre-recorded, so people can do a self-paced yoga teacher training. Yes, thank you.
Nice. And again, your website?
Is yogaunlimitednc.com.
Cost of yoga classes are not bad, are they?
No, the going rate in the area is $20 for a drop-in. We also offer a 10-pack that you can get for $150, so it saves you $5 getting that, with a year expiration, so it takes you a year to use it up. And then if you find that you're coming often, which I have quite a few people who are, there's a membership for $99, and it's unlimited. You can use you can Take any live classes, any live stream classes, and any on-demand classes.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, it is a good deal.
So again, this is Stacy Smith, Yoga Unlimited in North Carolina, and your address is
8809 East Oak Island Drive.
website.
www.yogaunlimitednc.com.
Thank you, Stacy.
You're welcome. Thank you.